Discover the Canon EOS R100 mirrorless camera, a great starter kit for creators. We'll break down its real-world performance, value, and risks. Check the link in the description for the best price. Where this camera shines. Beginner photos score an 8.8, thanks to its user-friendly design and modern features. For YouTube and video, it gets an 8.3, providing solid capabilities for content creation. Travel scores 8.2. Its compact design makes it highly mobile for on-the-go shooting. Action and sports gets 7.1, with some limitations for very fast-paced scenarios. It excels for new users and video creation, but has limitations for fast action. Evaluating its worth for your money. Features for price score 8.6, packed with modern tech for an entry-level mirrorless. Brand trust is high at 8.8, benefiting from Canon's well-established reputation and quality. Competition value is 7.9, standing strong against comparable cameras in its segment. The upgrade path scores 7.0 due to current limitations in the RFS lens ecosystem. Overall, it offers strong value, especially compared to older camera types. Let's review the potential risks. Build quality safety scores an 8.0, offering expected durability for a beginner camera. Reliability safety gets an 8.1, reflecting its dependable performance for daily use. Support and warranty is strong at 8.4, backed by Canon's reliable customer service. The lens ecosystem scores 6.8, as the RFS selection is currently somewhat limited. Overall low product risk, but system growth and stabilization are main concerns. The Canon EOS R100 is an easy-to-recommend modern camera for beginner creators and hybrid shooters. It outperforms many DSLRs at its price. Consider it if you're starting out, but note the limited lens ecosystem and lack of IBIS. It earns a CineTech rating of 8.2 out of 10,